How to connect your Steam account to Origin. Now, to connect your Steam account to Origin, you first need to connect your Steam account to EA. The way that you would do this is by going into ea.com and then linking your account with Steam. Now, my account is already linked, but I'm just gonna sign out to explain how you're gonna sync your account. Now, the way that you would do this is click sign in, choose a Steam icon, and then click sign in. Enter your email address, which is supposed to be the same exact email address that is connected to your Steam account. It's automatically gonna send you a code, and then you enter that code and boom, your account is linked. Now you can open up Origin. So now all you need to do is log in with your EA account. And then sign in. And there you go, that's how to link your Steam account to Origin. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.